hovercraft. Really important, because you need a big cargo space to get one of those huge amphibious assault landing craft known as a hovercraft on board. Now, number 4 looks beautiful. It looks almost brand new. It's been in overhaul for a long time. Still trying to work out a few flaws and kinks on the USS Boxer. Maybe spent about $200 million giving it an overhaul. Still got a little way to go. Next to it, a guided missile destroyer. Some of these guided missile destroyers are older. They're over 30 years old. However, they've still got some longevity to go. Maybe another 7 or 8 years. The Navy is coming up with a new class of ship known as the Constellation class. A cross between a frigate, the Navy stopped building them in the late 80s, and a guided missile destroyer, a combination thereof. Now, as I mentioned about an LSD, this is a beautiful photo op of you, for you, that is, to the right. With that stern down, you're looking directly into the well deck. A lot of people never see that. So the smaller craft go on, they can flood that well deck and bring on smaller craft troops. There you go. Massive well deck. And they can do that at sea. They can determine how much water they want. Bring on equipment, supplies. Very good photo op of an LSD. The workhorse, other things, in their quest to give their money away before they leave this world. They want to make sure that it's going to a good cause. This particular ship right here, one of the tallest mass ships, well, there's another one, a sister ship owned by the same person, 12 stories high on that mast. Beautiful, beautiful craft. One is out, one is here. Coming up on the right of Jacob Park, the Shell. You can check out the menu at theshell.org. And aside from being home to the San Diego Symphony, they were just about ready to leave. This is a new home. And it's named after another of the Jacobs, Radiant Children's Hospital. The Shell, the only one like it on the West Coast. Check it out, the menu, theshell.org. And then also, private entertainment, we've had just recently Van Morrison, Michael Bolton, Diana Ross, right here at the Shell. Coming up, Twin Tower Marriott, Marina in the back, and then this jetty of land links up with Seaport Village opened in 1980. Lots of one-of-a-kind jobs. Important, which I heard in the next few years has a new venue, or at least it was on the books, a new venue to replace it. Big budget. If you have kids, not too far from where you're bordered is Seaport Village, right here. And they have an old-time carousel from the late 1800s still going. And right next door, a Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Is that a kid pleaser? Bring them over for a carousel ride and a Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Hey, make their day. All right, Hyatt, the largest Hyatt in the United States, right here to your right. Looks like a train station when you go into the lobby to register. Folks are going to buy a commercial marina after Seaport, it's called Tuna Harbor. And then beyond that, a beautiful portside photo op, Midway. And we're going to go by the bow of the Midway. Good photo op coming. Side of the midway, and gonna go by the bow of the midway, looking right at you. It's being painted as we speak, so it looks like it needs a little bit of painting, but over the opposite side.